Welcome to Rosa's Portuguese kitchen, and today we are making shrimp à Brás. Shrimp à Brás. 350 grams of peeled shrimp, 3 beaten eggs, chopped garlic, chopped parsley, 100 grams of black olives, 650 grams of batata palha, which means shredded fried potatoes, 20 milliliters of olive oil, some black pepper for seasoning. Turn the stove on, add the olive oil, add the chopped garlic. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Add the peeled shrimp and let it cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. Add the batata palha. Mix everything. Add the beaten eggs. Mix once again. Season with pepper. Decorate with olives and chopped parsley, and then you can plate it. Today we made shrimp à Brás. Hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe to Camões TV and let me know in the comments what I should make next. Thank you. Faça e coma!